Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the relay matches the circuit. Check voltage and current ratings so the relay won't overheat. Once done, shut power off and verify 0 volts with a multimeter, safety first. Now locate the coil pins labeled 85 and 86 and the common and outputs, 30, 87, sometimes 87A. Make your first connections. Run the switched hot to 30, route the load to 87, and prepare the coil leads for control wiring. You now wire the control. Connect coil pin 85 to your switch or control module output so the relay energizes when signaled. Then connect pin 86 to a solid ground, clean paint, tight bolt, or the control negative, because a poor ground prevents switching. Make sure the power feed to pin 30 is fused near the battery or source. This protects wiring and relay. Once wiring is snug, crimp or solder terminals and apply a little dielectric grease. You finish by restoring power and activating the control while watching the load. You should hear a definite click and see the device power. If it doesn't click, measure voltage across 85 and 86. There must be rated coil voltage and confirm the ground continuity. If the click occurs but the load doesn't energize, check fuse, supply at 30, and continuity to the load at 87. Finally, secure the relay in a vibration-resistant mount and replace the relay if electrical tests fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.